I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to publish a VS Code website using an easy method. First, open VS Code and navigate to the Extensions view. Search for and install a suitable publishing extension, such as Azure Static Web Apps or GitHub Pages. This crucial first step sets up your environment for seamless deployment. Make sure your project folder is open and all your website files are organized. Now, let's get your project ready. Open your website's root folder directly in VS Code. This ensures all your files are accessible for the publishing process. Verify that your main index HTML file exists and is correctly structured. Also, check that any linked CSS stylesheets and JavaScript files are properly referenced. A well-organized project is key to a smooth deployment experience. With your project prepared, it is time to deploy. Access the publishing extension from the VS Code sidebar. You will typically find an option to deploy or publish. Follow the on-screen prompts, which usually involve selecting your project folder and choosing a hosting service like GitHub Pages or Azure. Confirm your selections, then click the Publish button to begin the upload. Congratulations! Your website should now be live. The extension will provide a direct link to your newly published site. Copy this URL and paste it into your web browser to see your creation in action. Take a moment to navigate through your pages, ensuring all elements, images, and links are functioning as intended. You have successfully published your VS Code website with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.